So what's up? Welcome back, another street vlog, I guess. So now we got one more problem again with the Vira. So the day you can see the video, they did a drag event. So we launched so many times until the manifold cracked. So show you, this is the heat extractor, right? So crack, number cylinder 4, cylinder number 3, and number 2, and number 1 is almost cracked. So right now we're going to open the manifold, going to weld back from up to bottom. It's not say the quality build is not nice, it's nice, but when you put top mount, all the weight is on top, right? Like this, all the weight is on top. So when you launch, right, they feel like moving a bit. So we have to put some bracing to the over there lah. So right now we have to open everything back out and then weld it back. So later I will see. It's still running on RB20 turbo. Boost is 0.3, I guess. So let's go. So it's hot because now I drove it to my house, to Ariel's house. So it's quite hot. Then I open the manifold. See how you can see the crack. Then I'll show you guys all the crack and how to weld. I'm not the best welder, but really lah. So this car built from 1.3 turbo also. So now I change the engine because you need more power. So once you on going and you need more power, so I upgrade to 1.8. I wanted to put the 4G63 also, but not enough money. It's too expensive. Market too high right now. Everyone want to put the price so up. Last time so cheap, now because I go for a budget. My daddy ain't rich. Woo. It's easy to open, just few screws only. So if you guys want to do at home and turbo also, no problem. Just buy acceptor from Shopee. Turbo you can find in Facebook Marketplace. Cheap. Facebook Marketplace I bought the turbo for 300. Okay, open already. Now you can see the crack. One crack here, one crack here, one more crack here, one like small crack. So we open the turbo. Gary, Abba Matt, and Vishnu, and Khalid. The rest of them I don't know where they went. So we're gonna weld the manifold. Manifold. Okay. So, alright guys, if you want to get our new merch, you see I'm wearing. That's Jerry wearing. The behind. Okay. Streetkilla. So y'all can go to. Oh, okay. Lagi. All on show face. So you can go to our Shopee page. Shopee Streetkilla official, and one more you can go to pester.club to see our merch, and our sticker all will be there. So you got two places to go, Shopee and Pester. If you don't know, later we put in Instagram. Okay?
Support us.
Please buy merch, support us, subscribe, like, you know, all that bullshit. So you buy our merch, then maybe we will build a country, put RB20 or what, and we play drag or what, right? We'll see how lah. So our BMW is down, so we need to do our BMW. Then we need to do the Vera. I think we're going to repaint the car nicely and cement send to shop lah. Make it look nice like Emperor Evo. And I think for now, stock piston, stock turbo lah. Already enough horsepower. Somehow fuel price went up, 4 ringgit per liter. This car only can drive for 97. Cannot 95 some more as a day.
Need to tune back.
Yeah, it still no power lah, but or anyone can get E85, or anyone can mix E85. Comment us, tell us what you all think about what our video and everything. So back to welding. So let's fix it back. All done. All we have fixed already. So let's go start the car. Finger cross. Free already. Okay. Starting the car. Oh yes. Nice. Holy kick. All good. Time to test. smoke, but it's okay.
All the boss came back already.
Now 1.2 bar.
1.3.
RP turbo still surviving.
Yeah, boy.
Fifth gear. So short. Nice.
Yeah, boy. Yelah, boleh naik highway lah. Shit, still went down kau. So guys, if you all want to buy car or tune, better tune to 95, not 97. Only 4 ringgit bro.
That's why I'm not using my car.
This car also I'm not using very less, because if I go to KL and come back, $100 lah, minimum $100. That one also if you lucky.
Because you see how it drives lah.
So the car is back because it's been parking because of the exhaust manifold crack.
Can't see you.
I'm too black. So bye. See you next time.